Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer Godaddy domain to Hostinger. So, first of all, open Safari. Go to Godaddy and after login, click here. Here you can see your domain. So, unlock domain. Turn off domain lock in additional settings. So scroll down to transfer domain and click get authorization code. Godaddy will email it to you. Now go to the Wix site and go to account settings. Now you have to create a password. Then click on domains. Here you can transfer your domain clicking on connect. That's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like the video.